Hey guys, so today I got a little demonstration here. I've got this ugly welding table. Look at it. I can't believe that's mine. I left it outside and I shouldn't have. It was covered and then I let it go. So I'm going to clean it up. And what I got here is 3 grinders with one with a DeWalt, just with a grinding stone, okay? And then I got my wire wheel. And then I picked up this Maximum it's called, but what it is a strip disc. See, it's for metal. So I think it works better, but I'm just going to show you the difference, what's going to happen here for the grinder and the buffer wire wheel, and then we'll go to that strip disc, because this table is ugly. I mean it. So let's give it a shot. I'll try the grinder disc, then the wire wheel, and then the strip disc. Okay, that's the grinder. Now that took a little bit and it's still not really good. I didn't do it that long. So now we're going to try the buffer. Okay. Now, obviously, that buffer's not going to really do much, eh? You got to really, it takes it off, but I mean, when you're grinding, yeah, you're going to get it right down, and this table sucks. So that's just buffed. That's all it is. So now we're going to try this strip one. Okay. Okay, the strip deal. Okay guys, what happened, it did do better, but that is, my battery died. Not a very good video, right? So it was cutting it, but I'm just gonna put another battery and try it. So it is a little better, but not a lot. I mean, you got to really press on it. I only got a 4.5-inch grinder, but you can see it's not bad. Obviously the grinder, you're going to dig down and really get it, but this works pretty good, this strip disc. So just a little video to see what is better, because I got a lot to do on this table, 3x5. But anyway, I thought I'd just show you that, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.